What if I told you that one simple change in how you eat could help you lose fat, boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and even support longevity? The ketogenic diet isn't just another fad, it's one of the most studied and effective approaches for improving metabolic health. In this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful science-backed reasons you should try the keto diet and why it's more than just a weight loss trend. I'm Dr. Jess Bilger, a board-certified nurse practitioner and integrative wellness expert. I'm here to simplify your metabolic health journey with natural, evidence-based solutions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Before we dive into the 10 reasons to try keto, let's talk about what it actually is, especially the version I recommend. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, high-protein, and low-carbohydrate eating plan designed to shift your metabolism from burning sugar to burning fat for fuel. When you drastically cut carbs, your body begins producing ketones, powerful energy molecules made from fat. This metabolic state is called ketosis, and for most people, it is obtained when eating less than 50 grams of net carbs daily. The version I recommend is animal-based and nutrient-dense, built on high-quality fats and proteins that support your hormones, brain, and metabolism. Think beef, eggs, salmon, butter, ghee, bone broth, and low-carb vegetables and fruits. This approach provides the amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals your body needs to function at its best, without the processed seed oils, preservatives, or sugar spikes that damage metabolic health. For people ready to heal their metabolism, balance hormones, and improve energy, this animal-based ketogenic approach is one of the most effective dietary frameworks you can start with. If you want a comprehensive plan on how to implement a healthy keto diet, check out my free metabolic health food guide, linked below. Now let's get into the 10 reasons you should try the keto diet. Reason number 1, it stabilizes blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. If you're constantly feeling tired, hungry, or struggling with cravings, it's most likely your blood sugar. One of the most powerful effects of the keto diet is how it stabilizes blood sugar naturally. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake, keto minimizes the spikes and crashes that come from high-carb meals, allowing your body to rely on fat and ketones for steady energy. This shift gives your pancreas a much-needed break, lowering insulin levels and enhancing insulin sensitivity over time, which is key for reversing metabolic issues like prediabetes or type 2 diabetes and promoting sustainable fat loss. A 2025 review of the effect of the ketogenic diet on glycemic control highlighted notable reductions in hemoglobin A1C, fasting blood glucose, fasting insulin levels, and weight. These improvements mean keto doesn't just mask symptoms. It addresses the root causes of metabolic dysfunction, potentially reducing reliance on medications and lowering the risk of complications like neuropathy or cardiovascular issues. In my clinical experience, patients often report fewer cravings, more stable blood sugar, and increased satiety even within the first week on a keto diet. Reason number 2 is that it boosts mental clarity and cognitive function. Do you ever feel foggy or mentally sluggish? The keto diet can help clear that up. When your body switches from using glucose to using ketones for energy, your brain gets a steady supply of clean fuel that crosses the blood-brain barrier more efficiently than glucose. This leads to reduced brain inflammation, better mitochondrial function, and enhanced neurotransmitter balance, all of which contribute to sharper focus, quicker thinking, and less mental fatigue, benefits that are particularly noticeable in those with brain fog from metabolic issues. A 2022 systematic review found that keto may enhance working memory, reference memory, and attention, with over 80% of human studies reporting favorable effects and no adverse impacts. The data is very promising, suggesting keto could protect against age-related cognitive decline or support conditions like mild cognitive impairment. Reason number 3, it enhances fat burning and metabolic flexibility. One of the most exciting benefits of keto is that it transforms how your body burns energy. Instead of depending on carbs, your body learns to burn fat as its primary fuel source, a state called ketosis. This increases metabolic flexibility, meaning your body can seamlessly switch between using carbs or fat for energy, which helps prevent energy crashes and optimizes fat loss, especially stubborn visceral fat around organs that contributes to metabolic diseases. A 2023 Umbrella review confirmed the ketogenic diet's efficacy in patients with obesity, leading to significant weight loss and improved metabolic biomarkers compared to other diets. These findings underscore that keto isn't just about calorie restriction. It reprograms your metabolism for efficiency and can even help preserve muscle mass during weight loss. In practice, this means more sustained energy for daily activities and exercise. Reason number 4, it reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Inflammation is behind so many modern health problems: joint pain, fatigue, brain fog, and even heart disease and cancer. Keto helps fight inflammation at its source by reducing blood sugar fluctuations, improving mitochondrial function, and producing ketones like beta-hydroxybutyrate, which act as signaling molecules to suppress pro-inflammatory pathways and enhance antioxidant defenses. This dual action on inflammation and oxidative stress can lead to better cellular health and reduce risk of chronic conditions. A 2022 review highlighted the ketogenic diet's effect on the underlying mechanisms of disease pathways, including attenuation of oxidative stress and inflammation through activation of NRF2 and suppression of NF-kappa B pathways. The review covers applications in various conditions, showing keto's broad anti-inflammatory potential. Clinically, I've seen patients with autoimmune issues or chronic pain experience massive relief after adopting keto. Reason number 5, it improves heart health. Despite old myths, eating a higher fat diet doesn't automatically mean that you're harming your heart. A properly balanced ketogenic diet, rich in healthy fats, can actually improve your heart health by lowering triglycerides, increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, and regulating blood pressure through reduced insulin levels and water retention. This shift also promotes better endothelial function and reduces oxidative stress on blood vessels, contributing to better overall cardiovascular health. A 2024 study on the effect of ketogenic diets on lipid metabolism in adults found that short-term keto does not worsen cardiovascular disease risk profiles and may reduce excess fat in the blood. These results challenge outdated fears about high-fat diets, especially when emphasizing quality sources. In my practice, patients often see drastically improved lipid panels after just 3 to 6 months on a keto diet. The key is focusing on quality fats like animal fats, olive oil, avocados, and butter, while avoiding foods full of unhealthy fats like seed oils, sugars, artificial sweeteners, and processed foods. Reason number 6, it balances hormones and supports reproductive health. Hormones control everything from metabolism to mood, and keto can help bring them back into balance. By lowering insulin, you reduce the hormonal chaos that leads to fatigue and even PMS and PCOS in women. Keto also supports thyroid and adrenal health by stabilizing energy levels and reducing stress on the body while providing essential fats for hormone production. A 2023 study on the effects of the ketogenic diet on hormones in women with PCOS showed that keto improved hormonal imbalances commonly associated with the condition. Participants experienced improved insulin sensitivity and normalized hormone levels, which can enhance fertility and menstrual cycle regularity. Reason number 7, it boosts energy and endurance. If you're tired of hitting that afternoon slump or running out of steam during workouts, keto might be your answer. Once your body gets used to burning fat for fuel, or what's commonly called being fat adapted, which usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks of consistent carb restriction for most people, your body has access to a steady, nearly unlimited energy source, stored body fat. This provides consistent energy all day long without the spikes and crashes of a high-carb diet. And for athletes, it enhances fat oxidation for prolonged performance. A 2016 study on metabolic characteristics of keto-adapted ultra-endurance runners found that long-term keto adaptation results in extraordinarily high rates of fat oxidation compared to high-carb diets. These athletes maintain performance while burning more fat, suggesting keto supports endurance without hitting a wall due to blood sugar drops. Whether you're hitting the gym or just trying to stay productive at work, keto helps sustain your energy naturally. Reason number 8, it supports brain and nervous system health. Beyond mental clarity, keto has powerful effects on your brain and nervous system. It's been used for nearly a century to treat epilepsy and is now being studied for neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Ketones protect brain cells, reduce oxidative damage, and promote better nerve signaling by enhancing mitochondrial function and decreasing inflammation in the brain. A 2022 review on the therapeutic role of the ketogenic diet in neurological disorders evaluated its potential efficacy with epilepsy, depression, migraines, Alzheimer's disease, and even Parkinson's disease. The findings support keto's neuroprotective benefits across these conditions. In functional medicine, we use keto to support brain health in aging patients, but the brain benefits are helpful for everyone. Reason number 9, it promotes longevity and cell repair. The ketogenic diet does more than boost metabolism. It can actually help you live longer and age better. Keto activates important longevity pathways like AMPK and autophagy, which promote cell renewal and clean out damaged cells, while reducing oxidative stress and inflammation that accelerate aging. A 2017 study found that a ketogenic diet reduces midlife mortality and improves memory in aging mice. Cyclic keto prevented obesity and extended health span without affecting maximum lifespan. Pairing keto with intermittent fasting amplifies this effect, helping your body repair from the inside out, which is why I recommend that powerful combo for most of my patients focused on longevity. If you want to learn more about intermittent fasting, I'll link that video below. Reason number 10, it may support cancer prevention and treatment. Cancer is a complex disease, but emerging research suggests that the ketogenic diet could play a role in both preventing and treating it by targeting the unique metabolic needs of cancer cells. Many cancer cells rely heavily on glucose for energy, a process called the Warburg effect, while healthy cells can adapt to using ketones. By drastically reducing carbs and sugar, keto limits this fuel source for tumors, potentially slowing their growth and making them more vulnerable to treatments. Plus, ketones like beta-hydroxybutyrate have anti-inflammatory and epigenetic effects that may protect healthy cells and promote cell repair. A 2022 review on the ketogenic diet in cancer prevention and therapy noted that the keto diet has shown anti-tumor effects by reducing energy supplies to cancer cells. In human trials, keto was useful as an adjuvant therapy, enhancing treatment responses, reducing side effects, and improving quality of life without serious adverse events. There you have it, 10 science-backed reasons you should try the keto diet. From stabilizing blood sugar, healthy weight management, and boosting focus, to improving heart health and longevity, keto is not a trend. It's a metabolic reset that helps your body work the way it was designed to. If you're ready to heal your metabolism and take control of your health, download my free Metabolic Health Food Guide, linked below. It's filled with food lists and strategies to help you implement a healthy version of the keto diet and reap all the benefits talked about in this video. Have you tried keto before? What changes did you notice in your energy, focus, or weight? Did you run into any roadblocks? Drop a comment below and share your story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Here's to feeling your best inside and out.